Okay, so our annotation set's now available for us to work with again. So you'll remember that we marked a camera as knocked down. I said we're going to have to check those images at a later stage. So that stage is now. So basically, if we try and launch the task again, it'll give us this notification here that says we have the camera marked as knocked down, and we need to go ahead and check those images. And basically, the process there is we're doing a binary search. So essentially, we'll do it'll show us a number of images along in chronological order along that set of images that we've marked as knocked down, and essentially we look for a point at which is potentially picked up. So in case a ranger or anybody walked past and picked the camera up and useful images thereafter. So essentially just it'll say, okay, is it knocked down, yes or no, and that's all you have to care about. Is the current image knocked down, yes or no? And then you get to the end, and then if you find it being picked up, it'll just continue to show you images until it finds the point at which it was picked up, and then we'll go from there. So in this case, we just say confirm, and it'll take us to the knockdown analysis page. So there we go. We can see that image is currently knocked down, and that's all you have to do. Look at the current image. Is it knocked down? Yes or no? In this case, knocked down. Yes. Still knocked down. Still knocked down. Here it's still probably being picked up. So I prefer to mark this still as knocked down because these images still aren't useful to us. Still getting picked up. Still being manhandled, and we're done. So basically, what's probably happened there is those images just from the camera being collected. But if there were actually images where we saw that it actually was now capturing images of wildlife and that continued after being picked up, what happens is then those images are reclustered back into the other cameras at the site. So those images are reclustered back into the other clusters, and where those other ones are labeled and stuff like that, they inherit those labels. So you hopefully don't even need to annotate the vast majority of them. And if there are some that still need to be annotated, which shouldn't be too likely if you've got multiple cameras and your timestamps are correct, you can then it'll automatically launch the task for top level label species labeling again, and you can just label those clusters and finish off the task in that way.